Our whole role here is to empower people to make healthier food choices. And we do that for a lot of reasons. One, we recognize that without a healthy diet, things like diabetes, obesity, people being overweight, in fact, 2 out of 3 adults in Sheboygan County are suffering from being overweight. So we know there's some issues we address, but how do we address them? We connect people with healthier food choices. We do that by either teaching them how to garden or where to obtain food, or by connecting local people in the community with producers who also live here in the county. So that's our core mission, is to do education, teach people why healthy food is not only delicious and fun to grow, but why it's so important for their health and for their well-being. A lot of people think we're just emergency food. We grow food, we provide it to kids in the school, either before or after school program, but it's that education that really sets us apart. I'd like to share a story that's a little outside of our core mission of teaching people about good food. We had a Girl Scout troop here that was very interested in having a hands-on activity that the girls could engage in, and they were studying and looking at pollinators, bees, butterflies, the insects that are so critical to our agricultural system. Well, behind me here are the actual raised beds for pollinator gardens that these girls not only helped raise funding for, but came out to actually do the work. I'm really excited about where Nourish is going in the future. We've got this amazing legacy that we're building on, but now we have a 13-acre farmstead. We're getting ready to open up our new education and demonstration kitchen. And of course, it's all driven by the profound need to connect people to better food resources. If they don't have the socioeconomic wherewithal, they might live in a food desert, or they might not even know what a kohlrabi is or how to prepare it. We need to do that work at the same time that we look at these broader issues revolving around sustainable agriculture, sustainable food systems, health and nutrition. With the COVID pandemic, the link between good nutrition and resilience against disease has never been more clear. And of course, by getting the support of the United Way, it's helping us more effectively tell our story, as well as helping us to actually address the needs that the community has. So United Way it's more than a bank where we can go to and submit an application and say, hey, we're doing good work, would you please fund it? It's more that collaborative spirit, that back and forth we can have with United Way staff as we set the goals for our programs. It's connecting us with different funders in the community. United Way is like the keystone in an arch. It really holds so many of these pieces together. Not only Nourish, but all the organizations that benefit from the hard work of United Way, from the hard work of the board and the staff, and from the generosity of those people who contribute to the program. Collaboration is so important for all the nonprofits who work with United Way. We can't execute our missions alone. We don't work in a vacuum. One important set of collaborations are with the local producers. Those people who are actually producing food right here in the county or close to the county, and would love to be able to have people locally be getting access to it and eating it. Another very important collaboration with us is working with youth in the school systems. Another important collaboration is with youth serving agencies. We're working with the Boys and Girls Clubs, Big Brothers, Big Sisters, Above and Beyond Children's Museum. All of these partners who have youth as a core demographic for their services are partners that we want to and are continuing to collaborate with. So it happens in the school, it happens with the producer, it happens in these organizations. If people want to get involved with Nourish, we, like many nonprofits, we love volunteers. And so there are great volunteer opportunities here. We are also looking for champions, either in the schools or with some of these other youth serving agencies. Go to our website, www.nourishfarms.org. And you'll actually be able to see how you can get involved. And of course, we're also happy to garner financial support as well. That's another great way that all the nonprofits like people getting involved, if you'll actually help us with some of that financial.